So hopefully you've got the new updated version of Facebook, but one thing that was also released was an updated group policy. So now is time to tune in and do your Facebook group homework. So where do we find groups? In the new setting, it's along the top here and it's the last little icon. So all you need to do is click on that icon and you will see all the groups that you manage or the ones that you're actually active in, one would hope. Anyways, if you're a group admin, what Facebook has released, it's actually going to send this message to your group asking them, anyone in your group, would they like to become admin of your group? Now for me, if I've spent a few years creating a group, the last thing I want is to hand that over to anybody to actually manage. So this is a good idea now for you to start doing your Facebook group homework. If you have a group that is not active, Facebook will send members of your group this message. If it's not active, now is the time to archive it. So you don't need to delete it, just archive it so that Facebook's artificial intelligence is not going to scan, see that the group is not active, and then ask somebody in the group to manage your own business group. So how do you do that? That's a great question. So let's go over and pick any group here that I'm actually not using anyone. This group here particularly I created for a friend to do some training, last active 50 weeks ago. So let's just go over to there. Now this is the group, there's nothing happening here, and I will archive this so that other people don't get access. So over on the right hand side you have your three buttons, the three little more button. What we're going to do is just archive the group, and you'll get a message which says members will still be able to visit the group, but they won't be able to post, comment, or invite other members. You can unarchive the group at any time, which is really important, and I'm just going to go confirm. So guys, do your group homework, go and have a look if any of your groups have not been active and actually archive them. If you have a group, you need to be active in that group, and there is a number of ways that you can schedule content out through content planners, or even just scheduling them straight inside of the Facebook app. You can schedule your content. So go check out your groups. If you've got a request maybe to be an admin of somebody's group, I'd be interested to hear that. And don't forget, we have our monthly video marketing workshop happening online, which is in demand. Anyway, you get access to it straight away, which is the most important thing. Guys, thank you very much for joining me. Don't forget to leave me a comment if you're actually enjoying the video content that I'm putting out on my page, and talk to you soon. Bye for now. Which is in demand or on demand. In demand. Anyway, you get access to it.